This is a new location for an episode of Vintage Toy Freedom, and there is a reason behind that because we are in my bathroom. And this is the Marvel Universe Iron Man with Inferno armor, and if you see here, it actually squirts water. So he has a water squirter, and we can release special effects mist. So this is from 1996. This packaging, this Marvel Universe, from what I can tell, and I haven't really done any kind of research about this, but just, I don't know. It seemed to me that they just sort of re-released a lot of figures from different lines. Because you'll see, different X-Men and Fantastic Four and different just kind of Marvel superheroes on these cards. So I think Toy Biz just kind of repurposed them to get them back on the shelves and maybe use up some of the excess figures they have. So the bubble's kind of cool. He's actually, you see it's indented, so he's in there pretty swell. You usually don't see that where they're in there like that. But we're gonna open this guy up because he has been imprisoned for 21 years. I said 96, right? Yeah, 21 years. And I mean, how is he gonna fight Crimson Dynamo and King Fang Foom and all those other guys, and Mandarin and Pace Pot Heat? And these are ones, I mean, they're not really worth anything. There's so many of them. So, this is an alright Iron Man figure. I mean, he's alright. He's got, like, the extra armor, which, I don't know, it's kind of shiny. If you ever see, you'll see a lot of that shiny armor stuff in that Iron Man line and some of the X-Men figures. So, there he is. He's alright looking. He's kind of cool. I mean, he's nothing too bad. Here's the pump. I already screwed it up and didn't get out of the package yet. Probably should have cleaned my sink before this, but I'm lazy. Too busy opening toys, so alright, I'm gonna have to. I didn't really think this one out too well. Hopefully you can see that. So yeah, and these things, they're not well made. They're very cheap. They come apart easy and they break easy, and I don't know. But I guess if you're a kid and you... See, I'm just dropping crap everywhere. So this goes like this. I think. Yeah. This little belt thing came off. Probably, if you really wanted this and wanted to keep it, I think it would make sense to super glue it. And those little hoses don't stay on too well. Yeah, just not a really well made thing. That hose just does not want to stay in there. All right, there we go. So, fill this guy up with some water. This video is brought to you by Dial Soap. Dial Soap kills 99.9% of germs. New active total clean formula. Maybe they'll give me some money for that so I can spend it on toys. Alright, so this goes in there. It feels like it should twist and some. Alright. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, look at Iron Man squirt. Iron Man is a squirter. That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Put him here on my seashell. So, yeah, so Iron Man's just squirting all over the place. I mean, he's like the Bonnie Rodden of the Marvel Universe. So, don't Google that if you're not over 18. Anyway, this is the Marvel Universe squirting, what's it called? Iron Man with Inferno armor, which I guess it does make sense if it's Inferno if he squirts water. So, so yeah, so thanks for watching. Now this is going to get all like probably gross and moldy and disgusting, but I don't know, kind of a fun thing. Maybe I'll let my kids play with it in the bath.